after the Congress has claimed, especially Rahul Gandhi, after he claimed that the External Affairs Minister informed Pakistan in advance about India's offensive. The Aam Aadmi Party is only amplifying Rahul Gandhi's views. What is the Aam Aadmi Party now is asking, isn't this betrayal? That's the latest post that's coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party, to which the Bharatiya Janata Party is also responding. So, the Aam Aadmi Party in its latest social media post goes on to say, isn't it a betrayal to the country and the army to inform Pakistan about the attack in advance? So the Congress party and some leaders of the opposition amplifying the views of the leader of opposition at a time when there has been a clear clarification that has come in from the Ministry of External Affairs. They have called Rahul Gandhi's statement an attempt to mislead, an attempt to misrepresent what the Foreign Affairs Minister said. The BJP on its part is also hitting out. So the BJP for now has said that this is an attempt by the Congress to give Pakistan a handle. This is an attempt, the BJP says, especially it is BJP's IT cell head Amit Malviya, who is also hitting back at Congress's Gaurav Gogoi by stating, and I quote from what he said, that this is what happens when intellectually challenged individuals rise to positions of relevance purely due to lineage. And also Rahul Gandhi is trying to divert the issue through shallow, misleading narratives. This is what Amit Malviya said on a social media platform. He also says that the same man whose deputy in the Lok Sabha is facing allegations of colluding and seeking financial benefits from the Pakistani deep state, they cannot come out and make these kind of comments. BJP leaders have also retorted to the Congress. They have said that this time, once again, Congress is making headlines in Pakistan.
राहुल गांधी और कांग्रेस पार्टी फेक न्यूज़ की फैक्ट्री है, फेक न्यूज़ की जननी है। और ये कोई पहली बार नहीं है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी इस प्रकार के झूठ फैला रही है जिसका उपयोग पाकिस्तान कर सके। इससे पहले भी कांग्रेस पार्टी ने जो फेकरी और फेक न्यूज़ राहुल गांधी ने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक पर फैलाया, भारत की सेना को झूठा बताते हुए, उसका भी पाकिस्तान ने इस्तेमाल किया। बालाकोट पे फैला है, उसका भी इस्तेमाल किया। पुलवामा पे फैला है, उसका भी इस्तेमाल किया। कांग्रेस पार्टी तो हमेशा से कुछ उसके अंश है जो पाकिस्तानी डीजी आईएसपीआर की तरह बोलते हैं। तो राहुल गांधी किस प्रकार से उनके नैरेटिव को, पाकिस्तान के नैरेटिव को बढ़ाया जा सके, उसके लिए आज भी प्रयासरत है।